When I purchased this kit, I did not know that you needed the Quantum server and the Quantum builder to load the program into it. So what I did was I built the kit and I sent them a message through Radio Shack where I got the kit online, and they sent me back a message with instructions, which I'll provide in the screen coming up, that show how to use an Arduino with it, which I did. That big 28 pin or dip IC that you see in the center of the Simon kit assembled is actually an expander. That means it adds extra I/O ports or pins to your Arduino or whatever microcontroller you're using. In the case of the Quantum, it would have worked with an electronic kit and the server and builder.